Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn quotes fast. First, truly grasp the quote's meaning and the author's purpose. Don't just skim it, delve into its essence. Next, dissect longer quotes into smaller, more digestible chunks. This makes the memorization process far less daunting. Finally, try to visualize the quote. Create a vivid mental picture or a short story that connects directly to its message. This initial understanding is crucial for effective and lasting recall. To deepen your understanding, research the quote's background. Knowing when and why it was said provides invaluable context. Look up any unfamiliar words or historical references to ensure complete comprehension. Then, try to connect the quote to something you already know or a personal experience. This personal connection significantly strengthens your memory. For example, if a quote is about perseverance, recall a time you overcame a challenge. This makes the quote more meaningful and easier to remember. Now for memorization techniques. Active recall is incredibly powerful. Try to say the quote out loud without looking at your notes. If you get stuck, glance at it and try again. Writing the quote down multiple times, perhaps 10 to 15 times, also reinforces memory through muscle memory. Furthermore, employ spaced repetition. Review the quote after 10 minutes, then an hour, then a day, and so on. This method helps transfer information from short-term to long-term memory effectively. To solidify your learning, actively use the quote. Try to weave it into a conversation or incorporate it into an email or essay. This practical application reinforces your memory. A fantastic method is to teach the quote to a friend or family member. Explaining it to someone else forces you to articulate its meaning and context clearly. Finally, establish a routine for reviewing your learned quotes. Even a quick review every few days can ensure they remain firmly in your long-term memory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.